Okay, at this time, I'm going to administer the oath of office as council member. I'd like you to raise your right hand and repeat after me. I do solemnly swear
I do solemnly swear
that I will support the Constitution
that I will support the Constitution
of the United States
of the United States
and the Constitution of this state,
and the Constitution of this state,
and that I will faithfully execute
and that I will faithfully execute
the duties of the office
the office
of City Council Member
of City Council Member
in and for the City of Mason,
in and for the City of Mason,
County of Ingham,
County of Ingham,
State of Michigan,
State of Michigan,
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my abilities.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Good job.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Business. Thank you, sir. Councilmember Brown.
Mr. Mayor, if I may, and if it's in order, I'd like to just take a brief moment to make an introduction and also say a word of thanks. I'm very excited to be here as a council member to join this board. And tonight with me is my family, my lovely wife, Margaret. And she has always been supportive and stood by me, not only as a loving spouse, but also as my best friend. And I do have to mention that as I went door to door this summer, talking to residents in our community, several people mentioned that if such a lovely woman was willing to marry me, that I must be an okay guy. So I think she helped me out in that regard. But also, I'm just extremely glad to have my mother, Claudia Brown, here visiting from the city of Warren. As all mothers, she has supported my dreams and helped me to accomplish them, and so I'm glad she's able to be here for the swearing in. And we have a dear family friend in the person of Dr. Ola Williams, who's from Southfield. And Dr. Williams was one of my vacation Bible school teachers when I was younger, so she's always been a source of encouragement. But last and certainly not least, I did not want to let this night pass without taking an opportunity to thank the residents of the city of Mason. Last year's election was very unique and very historic, and whether you received the most votes or benefited from the luck of the draw, we were all fortunate to be the people's representatives. And so I'm very excited in that regard. I'm grateful that the residents have placed their trust and their confidence in me. And so as we begin this 2013-2014 term on the council, I just want to say that I'm honored to sit here amongst all of you, and I look forward to working with you over the coming year. I know that there are some challenges that are in front of us, but at the same time, I know that by working together, there's nothing that we cannot accomplish. And so I'm excited, I'm ready to get to work, and I know that we can all do a great deal to make our community even better than what it already is. Thank you very much.